Hi everybody, welcome back to Teachings of Life. I'm Rupa, appear here with another interesting video. Hope you all are doing well. Well, before we get started, just a quick reminder to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the little bell button. And that way you will be notified every time I upload a new video to my channel. Let's start with today's presentation. Every second you spend thinking about the next moment, you avoid embracing the present. Ensure your life isn't lived entirely in your head. With global advances in technology, our society is becoming more engrossed in personal gadgets than in world around them. We hold our phones more than we hold our real conversations and each other. We are so busy looking down at screens and engaging in digital interaction that we forget about the environment around us. It seems people would rather experience an event through a camera than use their eyes to enjoy what's in front of them. As we continue to distract ourselves from the present moment, we become more anxious, fearful, and stressed. Worries overwhelm us in everyday lives because we are now conditioned to live elsewhere rather than right here. What's more, we ignore the people around us and our personal relationship pay the price. This is often why we feel distressed, disconnected, and lost. Our vibration is lowered because we feel like we are in some imagined situation that does not match up with our lived reality. We relive moments of the past, fear the future, and create obstacles in our minds. We devote creative energy to destructive ideas, and this invites turmoil into our lives. Now is the only time you have. Once your past is gone, it does not exist. No matter how many times you recreate it mentally, the future has not even arrived. But again, you keep talking yourself there mentally. Tomorrow comes disguised as today, and some of us don't even notice. Nothing is more valuable than the present moment because you can never get it back. You may create a visual memory that you can retrace, but physically you cannot experience it again. Our era is defined by words like technically advanced, the hustle is the new goal, maximize productivity, and whatnot. While in real sense, it is the rest that we need now. It is being and embracing the present that we need to learn. It is about being still and enjoying the beauty of living the current moment. Being in the present helps you to stay mentally stable as well as improves your physical health. When you are in the complete state of awareness, no uncertain future or the past memories could curb your happy state of mind. Living in the present is not some trendy lifestyle, but it also essentially means practicing and honoring the gift of now. Being present in the moment not only makes you happier and healthy, but also gives you the beauty of mindful living, which reduces the stress and anger. We poor human beings are always having multiple tabs open inside of our heads. We are often so caught up by the uncertainties of future. Even I catch myself many times getting tensed while setting the goals for the future and questioning all the maybes and what ifs to myself. I then need to remind myself that the future is not in my control. What I can control is the actions of now. the work I do in the present moment without attaching myself to the future results. So try convincing your little heart to be still and enjoy the joy that the current moment brings. We live this exact moment only once. Let it be filled with our undivided attention. At last, our whole life is actually the combination of all those little moments that we somehow fail to live. It is in those tiny moments of life when we are full, when we are totally present, when we look back to the day we were truly happy. It would always be because of the little things that we fully lived. So, learn to enjoy every moment of your life. Be happy now. Don't wait for something outside of yourself to make you happy in the future. Think how really precious is the time you have to spend, whether it is at work or with your family. Every minute should be enjoyed and savored. With this, I end my today's topic of discussion. I shall come up with more inspirational videos like this. Thank you.